Today, I'm going to show you how to DIY stamps from Printables. If you're new here, my name is Bree from 1134 Press. Subscribe if you enjoy bookmaking, journaling, and papercraft inspiration. To start, you will need the Silhouette Mint Stamp Maker. Everything that you need to make your first 2 stamps are included in the kit. It comes with a CD to download the program, but there's also a website where you can get the program if your laptop doesn't have a CD drive like mine. There's also a free trial with access to their designs if you choose to make stamps from their library, but I'm going to show you how to make a stamp from Printables. Printables are digital files of images, textures, and so forth that are commonly used in junk journaling and paper crafting communities. The great thing about them is that you can print them at home for as many projects as you want, which makes them more economical than going to a craft store and purchasing a single paper pad or ephemera pack. Etsy and Pinterest are the most common places to find them, but lately I've been in love with creativemarket.com. Creative Market is basically like Etsy but for designers. You can support independent artists by buying their products such as fonts, website templates, graphics, and more. I've been using Creative Market for my printable images more because you have the ability to choose what kind of license you want. So if I decide to design a journal to sell that features an image from a digital kit, then I don't have to worry about violating copyright law. Plus, there's always freebies and promotions that they offer. So if you want to learn more, check out the link in the description below. I'm using steampunk images designed by Anja Kaiser to make my stamps today. Once you've downloaded the Mint program, you will start your project by selecting Design. You can start with a blank canvas and design a stamp directly in the program, or you can select File and open up the image that you'd like to use. Make sure to select the correct size canvas to match your stamp. Resize the image so that it fits within the canvas, and then you can choose what kind of filter you like for your image. I chose the realistic option because it captured the line details the best. To print, you select the leaf and then click Start Print. The printing doesn't actually begin until you slide the stamp sheet in the machine. Next, you'll carefully separate the stamp sheet from the cardboard. Try not to peel off the plastic covering on the sheet. Then you'll slide the stamp base and lid onto the mount. Remove the lid and peel off the sticker to place the sheet. Then you can remove the plastic from your printed sheet. The stamping kit comes with inks that you will let soak onto the sheet, et voila, you have a stamp. Use a piece of scrap paper to clear off excess ink. You'll be able to stamp multiple times after your first application of the ink. Just make sure that you keep the cover on your stamp so the ink doesn't dry out. The stamp mounts come with stickers, but I decided to glue on a piece of vellum that I stamped on instead. I will end up changing the cover later because it did smudge a little. I'll show you how the typewriter stamp turned out in a little bit. I think I didn't let the ink sit long enough before trying that one out, but I'm still in love with the way it looks. I'm super excited to make more stamps from this vintage printable kit and other printable kits that I have stored on my computer. I mean, I could literally make a stamp out of anything that I could think of and not have to worry if I'll be able to find that perfect stamp for a specific project. If you give this little machine a try, tag me in your creations on Instagram at 1134press. I want to see them and would love to share them. So I hope this short little tutorial gave you some crafty inspiration for you to try this weekend. And I will see you on Sunday with the next Junk Journal With Me episode. Bye!